Now we will see how we can make the setup for supplementary items. Supplementary items is used when there's some products or items when it's ordered. There's another items is complementary or always required supplementary or complementary related to these products. So we'll see now how we can make the supplementary sales items for the products. You have to open product information management, all products and the product master. So it will open to all released products. I will select for the, no, excuse me, product information management. I will open released products. So here I can find, for example, this item. I select items, and here you can find under sale tab here related information supplementary sales items. Click on it, click new. Here account code table group all. If you select the table, so here it means you can find the customer relations by customer records. If you select a group, you can find here by customer group. If you select here all, so this field is not available, so supplementary items will be applied for all customers. Okay, here I will select, for example, table, and I will select for specific record, which is R001. Okay, so the item is 2003. The customer is SR21. Okay, here the unit is integrated by default related to the product which we make supplement items for it. Here the quantity limit, which mean for each quantity this supplementary item must be given to the customer here for by one, which mean for each one quantity must be supplementary items. Here the supplementary items. What is the supplementary items? I will select, for example, this item. If there is any variants, you can find it here. And there is supplementary quantity one, which means for each quantity one supplementary items. Here, if here from date to date, you can select from 1 January to, for example, 31 January. Okay, if it's optional, you can select it's optional. It's once only, which means at one time only and not be available later. Okay, if it's free of charge, you can click yes. Once you finish, click save. So again, if you need to make stuff for supplementary items from product information management, release the products, select the product, come to sale here, you can find supplementary sales item here. You can find all created before, you can click edit or click new for new supplementary items. Now, in order to see the supplementary items, go to sales and marketing area, sales and marketing module, sales orders, all sales orders. We will create new sales order now. We will select the customer R001, which we assigned in the supplementary items, this customer, and we click OK. The language must be filled. So here, if it's put it's a parameter, so it gives you advantage in order to not select here and HUS, for example. Click OK, click OK. Here, select the item numbers for the supplementary items, which start with M2003, these items, and here enter the quantity, for example, is 7. Okay, come here to sales order lines here, click calculate supplementary items. So here you can find all supplementary items, click the supplementary items, okay, like this, include here, okay, and click OK. As we said, it's mandatory, not optionally. So you can see now the supplementary item lines, it's generated here one items here, so the quantity here is one. You can modify it to 7, for example, as per you need. Once you finish, click Save and complete the sales process cycle for the sales order. Thank you.